Finally, we have the Mavic Mini. This is not the Fly More combo. This is just like a normal single battery. This is what it contains, what it shows here basically. So you can see the drone and the controller. The mobile is like will be your mobile, but it just says the everyday Flycam. That's it. Doesn't say the combo. So we will do an unboxing of this one and show you what's inside. And this is the ultralight nano 249 gram one, which doesn't need a license. So that's the specialty about Mini. What the box says is, as I mentioned, like the 249 gram 30-minute max flight time, which is good. 4-kilometer HD video transmission, which it can do, which is superb. Vision sensor plus GPS precise hover, and 3-axis gimbal with 2.7K camera and simplified recording editing. So that it says here, as you can see. This is the drone which we're gonna see with the remote. Okay, so let's open this up, see what it contains. Yeah, and this is the drone, which you can see. It is like really small compared to like my palm size and the drone size. Yes, so it has the propellers kind of clipped, so we will remove it and then open it as well. So yeah, I want to be delicate in that. Let's see. I'll remove the sticker because I was like not sure. Yeah, so this comes out like this. So then the wing opens, the propeller, and then the top wing. So here you can see, and then the bottom propeller has all the same thing. So now we have to remove the sticker for the bottom ones as well. So I just put a little bit of support so you don't like kind of pull it out completely, because yeah, this have a sticker with a QR code, you might need it. So this is the other wing, which is kind of folded. So this is the speciality about this drone, that it comes like this. Yeah, don't try to pull it like this. So it just comes like this. So this is your entire drone basically. All the propellers out, like it has this cover of the camera as well. So as you can see, which has this camera cover, it has a press thing which comes out like this, and then your drone camera is here. So this is now your camera, which is a 3-axis gimbal. So, and then here in the back cover you see there's a battery here, where it comes with a single battery. As we mentioned that this is not a Fly More combo, and yeah, we need to figure out a way to pull this battery out. This is the battery. It's a small one, light one, where it has a hole. So this goes in it, you like this. So there's a pin here, so you just need to push this here gently. Yeah, it'll have a click sound, and close this. Yeah, that's it. So this is your drone, where we have removed the camera cover and the wings, which was like kind of sealed as well. So now this is with the drone, keeping it here. Now what we see, what we have, the other thing in the box. So yeah, this thing, I don't know how it, like the thing is torn, the polythene. We'll see if there is, look for any damages basically, or it was just a brush. So yeah, this doesn't have the controllers. We'll check in something below, I can see, but these are the antennas to connect all the signal. One press, you see the charging of like how much it is charged. It's almost 50%. And yeah, these are the holders for the mobile on the side, which comes out on this way. You can put your mobile, and then you see these things are here, so which gets kind of screwed in here, and So okay, that's cool. These are the specific ones for the Mini, which the controller knobs are like kind of hidden or inside or foldable, which makes it more compact in terms of traveling. So this is the remote. We'll explore it later. It is a regular remote where it has a video and a photo, and then you can control your camera up and down with this. And then the control sticks here for the drone movement, up, down, left, right, same thing for the camera, and it has the instruction here as well. Plus, if you remove it, it says a DJI here. So here it says DJI. So we'll put it back because we are new to learn this. So yeah, let's see what is there in the accessory. So this is your drone, this is your controller. Now see, where are the cables to connect, charge. So I can see there's a packet in the box, which you can also see. I'll try to pull it out. Yep. So this is a box which I can see, which should have the cables and the other things. Let's see what it has. Okay, these are the extra propellers which you get, at least. So this is not a fly more combo, we said. So but this get some extra propellers and the screws as well. So extra screws, though it has screws there. So we'll keep it one set here. Then there is a screwdriver, basically, if you can see, to tighten the screws there. So this is the other thing. What I have my other hand is the cable. So I think this is the charging cable for the drone. So we'll open this because this is something we'll need immediately, and this is important. Those extra drone propellers was like something which we don't need immediately, so I did not open it, but this is something which we will need. So yeah, let's check this out. Yeah, so as expected, this is USB micro USB, which will be used to charge the remote and the drone, because if you see the charging point, what I saw is here, it is the USB micro USB charging point, which will fit in here. As you can see, this will go here, and so this is the cable. Let's see what's more inside this small white box. What we have more is I'm looking for is, yeah, this is the important part, where again we need to connect the cable to the mobile. So the display which we'll be having is our mobile. So this is, we got an extra mobile to USB-C. Sorry, this is the lightning one for the Apple phone. So these are the Apple mobile connector. I'll keep it here. It's a different type because based on your mobile. This is a C type which we'll be using because we have a C type mobile. So this C type, and so it has 3 different types, and this is your regular micro USB. So there are 3 types of 1, 2, 3. So ABC you can call it. So yeah, so that's it basically in the box, what we got. And then here are some manuals and warranty cards and all those things which you don't need it immediately, right? So these are the instructions which you can go through later. So yeah, I think pretty much that's it. Thank you guys for watching the unboxing of the Mavic Mini. I hope you liked it. This is like a hot cake right now. The availability is very scarce, and whatever I was able to get my hands on, though if it is not a fly more combo, you guys might already know it, but yeah, this is what it is. So you can check out the fly more combo videos through some other channels. So yeah, this is what we got, and we'll be shooting it on our Nikalpada trip with this drone, and we'll share you the videos, and you will know how the results are when we shoot that down. Thank you.